Our first word is hello.
Hello. It's a greeting used when meeting someone.
The second word is name.
Name means what someone or something is called.
Example, what is your name?
Repeat. Name.
Our third word is thank.
Thank means to express gratitude.
Example, I thank you for your help.
Repeat with us. Thank.
Next we have please.
Please is a polite word used when asking for something.
Example, please sit down.
Let's say it together. Please.
Word number 5 is sorry.
Sorry means feeling regret or apology.
Example, I am sorry for being late.
Repeat. Sorry.
Our sixth word is good.
Good means of high quality or satisfactory.
Example, this is a good book.
Say it with us. Good.
Number 7 is bad.
Bad means poor quality or unpleasant.
Example, the weather is bad today.
Repeat after us. Bad.
Our eighth word is morning.
Morning means the early part of the day.
Example, good morning, how are you?
Let's pronounce it together. Morning.
Word number 9 is afternoon.
Afternoon is the time between noon and evening.
Example, I will see you this afternoon.
Say it with us. Afternoon.
And the final word is evening.
Evening is the time between afternoon and night.
Example, we eat dinner in the evening.
Repeat. Evening.
Great job! You learned and practiced 10 useful English words.
Listen again and repeat any time to improve your pronunciation.
Goodbye!